Hi, here's my remind card.
Hi everyone, thanks for you guys watching this video. My name is Zhang Zhi. So in today's video, I would introduce something like about GMO food. I would want you guys thinking about the dangers of GMO food, and I think people should pay more attention on the disadvantage of that kind of food. So what is GMO food? Well, GMO food is a genetically modified food, which had new genes from other organisms and they insert in existing genes. According to Brown University, this the purpose of this technology is to want existing planet have a new characteristic like disease resistant. So in our nowadays, when you go to a grocery store, you would see many that kind of food, and it's already showing many places around our daily diet. And according to a time like this, almost 19% of the corn which grew in United States, it's already genetically modified. So although it has lots of benefit, especially the economical benefit, but it did have some like disadvantage. So the first thing is the genetically modified food that technologies actually has some limited, because like it's actually impossible to make a safe statement for for all the GMO food, because like each genetically modified food, they insert the different genes and it insert in the different ways. So it's actually hard to analyze all of them. We should actually testing case by case, and it's really hard to manually do that. So apart from that, the effect of this GMO food actually needs a long time period to test. But this GMO food actually is a relatively new food supply to our supermarket, to our daily life. So it's since the 1990s, the middle of 1990s, people start to take that kind of food. So actually, we don't have that kind of data like based on human health. We only have the GMO food effect on animals, but it's only like on short durations, and it have mixed outcomes. So it's really hard to test how it affects on humans. So another problem, second problem would be like GMO foods has a lot of the health problem. The most important thing is allergenic problems, because if allergenic planet which are genetically modified could cause actually non-allergenic planet have allergy problems. And according to Brown Universities, because there's some GMO food, the original don't have that kind of issues. If they would generate or create new proteins, and that protein could have their allergic reaction to a human's body. Second problem will be like the GMO food could decrease the effectiveness of the antibiotic drugs, because like some GMO food have to contain some antibiotic genes, so they can have they could like immune or resistant to a disease. So if people's using the having that genes could still like persist in human's body, and they would hard to erase. So when that human take the medicines, that the antibiotic drugs could have less effectiveness. So the third problem will be that GMO food has environment problems. The most important things will be like the genes pollutions, because like according to Brown Universities, when you plant genes in some field, because of the cross pollinations, that special genes could spread out to the environment. Imagine like if a special plant contains herbicide if a herbicide-resistant genes, and that genes could transfer to a weed, and so that weed could become a super weed that would hard be raised by the herbicide, and that would cause environment problems. So another problem would be that it could lower the biodiversity of the local environment, because like if some planet become specialized in a special field because of these technologies, that would cause another planet not to be planted in the local environment. So that would erase the the local biodiversity of the local environment. So in conclusion, based on what I stated below, the technology limit and the health problem and environment problems, the GMO food did have lots of disadvantage. I'm not saying that GMO food is bad or we should ban this technology. I would just mention that people should aware more like disadvantage of this kind of food before they fully implement these technologies. That's my speech for today. Thank you for guys watching.